Hi, it's Denise Duffield-Thomas here, and I have another law of attraction hack for you today. I know that a lot of people in the Hay House world want to write a book one day. It seems to be a really big goal for a lot of people. So here's what you can do. Go to one of those really cheap websites where you can get photoshopping done for just a couple of dollars or a couple of pounds, and get them to Photoshop you into a bookshop. They can create a book cover for you. And then every day you can look at that and just feel what it would feel like to be a published author. Every time you see it, your brain is going to believe it just that little bit more. And here's what you can do to take it one step further. You could print out one of those fake covers and you could use a book, for example, my book Chillpreneur, I don't mind. Take off the cover, replace it with your printed Photoshop cover and place it somewhere where you can see it every single day. Now, I love to do lazy manifesting, which means to do things to help train your brain that you don't have to think about all of the time. And that is just one tip of all the many that I want to share with you at the Hay House conference. It is going to be the 19th of October in Birmingham. It's the Hay House I Can Do It conference, which is one of the most amazing events. I loved going to them back before I was a Hay House author. And one of my goals was to be on stage talking at one of those conferences. So all the details for the tickets are below. Grab them now. And I can't wait to share with you even more tips on how to make the law of attraction work for you with ease and grace. All right, I'll see you there.